What is business interruption insurance? Business interruption coverage, also known as business income coverage, is a type of insurance that helps replace your income your business lost due to closure from damage to your property or premises. This coverage should provide you with the amount of profit your business would have earned had there not been a sudden need for closure. Like all insurance coverages, it's important to know what this insurance will and will not cover. Let's start with what it covers. Business interruption coverage will help with the following: employee payroll, loan payments, mortgage and rent lease payments, relocation costs, taxes. It can give you peace of mind knowing your employees and lease payment of your property will still be covered should the unexpected happen. What is not covered by business interruption coverage? Closure from losing electricity, gas, or water. Earthquakes, flooding, income that is not documented, income not received because of partial closures where your business is limited but still able to operate, pandemics, viruses, or communicable diseases. Since there may be other policy exclusions, be sure to discuss these types of events with your trusted insurance advisor and ask if there are any other events in which coverage will not be provided. It's important to note, business interruption insurance does not provide coverage for damage to your physical business property, but will provide the income your business does not receive due to the damage that resulted in closure. Coverage is typically provided for 30 days, but your insurance company may offer coverage for up to 12 months. A discussion with your trusted insurance advisor can help you determine the amount of coverage needed to ensure the policy limits are enough to cover your business. At Vermost Insurance, we offer free, competitive quotes from multiple insurance carriers so you can get a competitive rate that best protects your business needs. Don't wait, call today.